What if you could load an entire map, cities, roads, and rivers, with just one WMS layer? No juggling multiple layers, no messy web map configuration. Just one clean, reusable map composition. In this video, I'll show you how to create layer groups in GeoServer, one of the most powerful features for building professional web maps and real-world GIS applications. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a layer group into your server and use it to build a combined map made out of tricks, codes, and rewards. We will adjust rendering order, advanced pixel scene, preview the result, and finally load the group to the WMS in Leaflet. So let's get started. First, we need to click Add New Layer Group, and we're going to name it City Map. Now we need to add the layers that will make up our map composition. I'll add the city layer as the base, followed by reverse and reverse. This layer will stack in the order we defined. Do this by clicking Add Layer over here and then choosing the layer that we want to add. The rendering order is crucial, and polygons like cities should always be at the bottom. So I'm going to drag and paste it at the bottom over here. So I can just click this arrow over here and we'll change the rendering order. Now you can, add your custom styles. Over here, and I'm using the default one, and over here through this you can improve the map clarity by setting individual transparency of layers. So for the roads, I have set around 60% and 100% opacity for the boundary layer underneath it. Then we'll go and save this bar. Before that, it is required the boundary. So we're going to calculate it automatically, then save it, and it'll show us over here. Now if you want to view it, we can go to Layer Preview and see our group here. So here is our 30 map group layer, and click on Open Layer to view it now. Now as you can see, you can preview the file over here, and these yellow lines are the roads. These are all glossified that we have done in previous videos. And then the boundary is of Pocket Sun. This is taking a bit longer to appear now because of how high density the file is. So now you can zoom in and check the visibility. And this is basically how you can display multiple layers in single file. 233. Now one of the biggest advantages of layer groups is that they can be loaded into web maps using a single WMS URL. Leaflet simply, you can reference this layer group name in your WMS request. This loads the entire composition at once, and that would be city, country, boundary layer, rivers, roads, any other layers without managing multiple layers. So, that's about it in this tutorial. You learn how to build a layer group, control layer order, adjust styling, and preview it in GeoServer. And load it into, can load it into Leaflet or any other calls in with one WMS call. Leg lift are perfect for building ready-made maps composition for better applications. Once you start using layer groups, your workflow changes completely. You get cleaner WMS services, faster map loading, simpler front-end code, consistent cartography. This is how professional GIS platforms serve maps, not layer by layer, but as complete compositions. If this video helped you understand layer groups in GeoServer, give it a like so more GIS learners can find it. Subscribe for more tutorials on GeoServer, QGIS, PostGIS, Leaflet, and Web GIS workflows.